This is Judge Lavarado of Monterey County. Judge, so far from this conference, what have you learned that surprised you or that you did not know before?
Well, first of all, it's a great conference, and obviously the conference is on trauma-related issues regarding individuals in mental health court and drug treatment court atmosphere. And if there is a trauma-related issue with regards to an individual, a client, it's important to get to the bottom of that particular issue immediately in order to address the issues and concerns with regards to whatever, substance abuse issues, with regards to mental health issues, behavioral issues, and so that is important to do that. So that's what I've got from this conference so far.
And how do you think some of your clients might benefit from trauma-informed care?
Well, a client would definitely benefit from trauma-informed screening, trauma-informed care, because obviously it gets to the bottom of the issue. And if an individual is having issues of trauma that has affected them in the past, it's important for the collaborative team to get to the bottom of those issues, which will obviously help with other issues in life with regarding substance abuse issues, mental health issues, etc.
What do you think, or are you thinking, that you might take away from this training, and what will you do with that information?
Well, you know, it's an interesting question. Before I came to this training, I was wondering where this particular training would go with regarding trauma-related issues. It's something that you don't necessarily talk about in our team meetings for any particular client per se, but it's an issue that I think that needs to be screened out, especially on the behavioral health side of things at the get-go with regards to setting up that treatment plan for a particular person. So one of the things I hope to do is go back to our jurisdiction and look into those issues, see if we are screening for trauma-related issues, and if we're not, I think we need to definitely get to that point. Once we get to that point, we need to also see if there are programs out there, if there are that would basically assist with a trauma-related issue.
And I think you've probably partially answered the next question. How do you think your staff colleagues will utilize this information? Is there anything else you can think of?
Not necessarily. Like I said, I think that first of all, I think I want to make sure that we're screening for trauma-related issues. If we are screening for trauma-related issues, then we would need to find out and see if there are programs that would address those specific issues to any particular client. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Did I do okay? Want me to